Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be taking the cross product of two vectors. So the cross product is just another vector that is perpendicular to the two other vectors, and it only works in 3 dimensions. So let's just get started. So to find u crossed with v, we would usually write it in a matrice. So you would do I, j, and k, and then you just write u on the first row, and then v in the second row. And then what you're going to do, so to do I, you're basically going to cover this column and then this row, and just take 4 remainings and write it into a 2x2 matrice, and then that will be your I. And next you would cover the second one and this one, and you would have 2, 1, 1, 1 left, so you would get minus 2, 1, 1, 1j, and remember it's a minus instead of a plus. But then now it's a plus again, and you're going to do the same thing, but this time you cover this column, and you always cover the top row, and you're left with 2, negative 3, 1, negative 2, and then k. So to solve these, you need to use your determinant formula, and it's just negative 3. So it's this one times this one minus this one times this one. So it's negative 3 times 1 minus negative 2 times 1, I, and then same thing for this one, so 2 times 1 minus 1 times 1, j plus 2 minus negative 3 times 1, k. So you would get negative 3 minus negative 2, which is negative 1, I, and then you get 2 minus 1, which is just 1, so j, and then plus negative 4 minus negative 3 is negative 1, so negative 1k. And then you get negative I minus j minus k. And if you want to make it back into this component form, you would get negative 1, negative 1, negative 1. And then you'll see that they are perpendicular to u and v both, or orthogonal, because when you take the dot product, they will equal 0, so we're just going to show that. So this is u, and if we dot it with this one, we get negative 2 plus 3 minus 1, which indeed is 0. And again, dot product is just 2 times 1, negative 1, plus negative 3 times negative 1, plus 1 times negative 1. And then now let's do it with v. So this is v. And we do it with our cross product. So we get negative 1 plus 2 minus 1, which is also 0. So yeah, that's how we find this cross product. So yeah.